Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Bo and Brooke here. In today's episode, guys, we travel over 2,000 kilometers to the top end, Darwin. Not only did we go through the most interesting town we've ever been to, but Bo happened to lose his phone and wallet. Make sure you hit the like button, guys, and make sure you comment your most favorite part of the video. So we post every single Sunday at 7 PM, so you've got no reason not to come back. See you next Sunday. If you're wondering why this has all been burned, basically it's called a controlled fire. So they burn the bush on purpose in case there is a bushfire. Yeah, I think they're just preparing because it is bushfire season.
So we're trying to find out if this is actually a controlled burn because we heard some truckies on the radio and they weren't sure, so...
Maybe ask them.
Yeah. Breaker. Any of you boys know if that was a controlled burn? Because I said breaker, they don't want to bar me.
What's breaker mean?
I don't know. Yeah, I get it. You don't want anything to do with me. I'm used to it. It's happened my whole life. I can't find it. I've...
Dude.
Man. Alright, so this is what happened.
Can I just say one thing? What is wrong with you?
Alright, we just finished uploading the video and we always get excited after we upload last week's episode if you watched it. We went out for a couple drinks to celebrate and we always, we celebrate after we upload a video.
Couple.
Yeah, we had it. I can't find my phone.
I don't know what you need to do, dude, but you need to do something. Like, this is bad. Like, dude, we have to leave. We have to.
I can't even think right now. I need water. I feel like crap. It's like 6:30 right now. We gotta move. So I went and find my iPhone last night. Couldn't find it, but I put down Brooke's dad's number just in case. So hopefully, if someone does find it, his number will pop up. But yeah, we gotta go. Oh,
dude, your life's a mess.
Oh, I feel sick.
So we're about to turn off to one of the most interesting towns, I've ever personally been to. It's called the Daly Waters. If we were to film the whole thing, it would take way too long. So what we're planning on doing, getting there, filming a lot with the drone and everything, and then doing a voiceover. Just because this town, guys, there's that much interesting stuff. It would just take up the whole episode. So we're about to go there right now. I'm so excited. We went last year. Didn't actually film anything. I have no idea why. Keen to get there, staying a couple nights, doing a bit of work, free accommodation, food, and getting paid a little money for fuel. So let's do it. Guys, I feel so bad for Bo, losing his phone. It's our job. We need two phones to do our job.
Alright, tell them what just happened.
What are the chances? Me and Bo have this running joke where we go, everything works out. If there's ever a problem, within a day or two, it normally works out. In my head, I knew that the phone was gone. And Bo wasn't too concerned, which I was a bit confused about. So what we did last night at 1 AM, we set up Find My iPhone and we put my dad's number. So if anyone finds the phone, they'll get a text saying to call my dad. We just received a call from my dad. What are the chances someone found it outside of the pub on the floor and now they're going to ship it to Darwin for us?
Wow, what a relief. I already instantly feel better. Oh my God, I'm never drinking again.
And it's funny because as soon as my dad called, you said, I know what it's about.
Yeah, I had a feeling. Jeez. Yeah, because,
everything works out, guys.
Oh, that's so good. Thank God. Yes. hot and raining. Beautiful, just what we want.
There's a chicken running across the road.
We're in the weirdest spot right now. So we've driven from Kununurra all the way to Daly Waters, and the owners, Tim and Adam, have been very nice to give us some work here. So not only are they paying us for our work, but we get free meals and accommodation. So the meal's just about to come out now.
It's the best. In the background, just all these chickens running.
Yeah, this has to be one of the most unique spots. We came here last year, about 8 months ago, but we didn't really know Tim or Adam, and we just thought this place is so weird. They got cows, crocodile, you got chickens running across the road, and they're so friendly as well. We thought there were two goats that are just so used to human interaction. They were just standing next to humans, not moving. We thought they were big teddy bears. Brooke thought they were dogs.
No, well, the funny thing is he just called them goats, but they were actually donkeys. So you... As soon as you said that, I'm like, this guy's got to be joking.
Oh, no! Yeah, I really thought that
They're
one.
donkeys, mate.
Ah.
Both thought they were like cats. Old mate Goats seems to be a little hot. He's having a little lunchtime call off.
Oh, where is he? G'day, mate. Where are you?
Mate, now cut.
He's here.
Huh?
He's right here. G'day, mate. Oh no.
Mate, now that's
not nice.
That's
mate.
just disrespectful. He literally went, meh.
G'day.
Oh, there's a donkey over there.
Oh, there's just things everywhere.
Now go interact
I want
with
to
this
go
guy.
play.
Oh, now he's pooing
Oh.
on our car. Okay, go over.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh. Hey. Hey, Pappuccino. Hey. It's okay. Oh.
Oh, you trying to mess up
Trying
my
to say
car, mate?
hi. G'day, mate.
I
G'day.
wonder how old this little fella is.
Guys, we're just doing a little bit of editing, and of course there's company in the background. They just don't leave us alone. So right now we're editing the compilation for Daly Waters. We'll show you a little bit on the screen right now.
Alright, so I'm not normally one to be into collectibles, but Tim's junkyard was by far the most interesting shed I've ever been into. Now, we have no idea how much all this stuff is worth, but my guess is upwards of $10 million.
So we actually got to ask him about how he got all these cars into his shed. He says as a hobby, he collects pieces and then puts them all together, restores them, and brings them back to life. Yeah, I kind of got over it after a bit because Brooke was pretty much spending all of the time with the animals and we got no filming done.
Yeah, and to be quite frank, they were my best friends. And guys, they got paid out the whole time we were there from Bo, but these donkeys were incredible. Like, you'd literally be having a pub meal in the pub and two donkeys walk past and occasionally even a goat.
I wish we could have got everything at Daly Waters, but it'd be near impossible. There are over 1 million different pieces all over Daly Waters. You have to check it out for yourself. If you're traveling around Australia, this is definitely one to stop by.
And guys, it's just under 6 hours from Darwin, so it's well worth checking it out.
So that's what we're giving Daly Waters in trade for accommodation, meals, and a little bit of money as well.
And this one? The car's right there.
I don't understand your fascination with animals being near cars.
No, and look, dude, they're donkeys.
Yeah, I know.
Donkeys are rare, dude.
Yeah, but no, they're not.
Yeah.
What, for so long, guys, Brooke has been asking me, can you please get a photo of the donkey next to the car?
Guys, I'll pop it up right here.
Why do you want a photo with a donkey next to a car? Why don't you just want a photo of the donkey? Why does it have to be near a car?
Because it shows that, how close they are to us.
To a car?
No, to us. Dude, should I let the donkeys in here because of the rain?
No, bro, not in here.
Why? Dude, look at them. They look miserable.
Just leave the donkeys alone. Just leave them alone. We're just finishing up the work with the Daly Waters. We've got a couple more shots to film. We just finished up our meals. We're gonna head over to Adelaide River, start about 5 hours, and then do the same thing for Adelaide River that we're doing here, and hopefully get some cool content for this episode. And we're just leaving our mark here at the Daly Waters, along with the thousands of other photos.
Here at the Daly Waters, before you leave, it's sort of expected to leave something. So females leave their bras, underwear, males leave their IDs sometimes. So taking a couple photos with the Polaroid, and we're gonna stick them up the wall. Next time we come here, we're gonna see if they're still there. The thing that we're loving about the Northern Territory is you can drive at 130 kilometers an hour rather than 110 or 100. And if you're driving 4 to 5 hours, it's a lot quicker. Comment down below what country you're from and what the top speed is where you're from.
So we're about 4 hours out from Daly Waters on our way to Adelaide River, and I can't believe I forgot my ID at Daly Waters, and we can't turn back. It's 4 hours back. The reason I need my ID is because we're meeting up with a mate in Darwin this weekend, and we wanted to go out and have a good time. I've left my ID there, so...
We both almost didn't have IDs because my passport has been through the wash like at least 10 times over the past few years. I can't actually go anywhere with it, but I can get into clubs with it, so that was lucky.
Yeah, and look, like, we're so looking forward to going into a club this weekend because we've just been traveling for the past 5 months. It's not looking that great at the moment.
Nah, get there, everything works out. Adelaide River, here we come. Pretty much what the situation is at the moment. Bo is at the Telstra box because I've only got a data SIM. Bo thinks he left the wallet. He reckons it slid down the side of his bed. So what he's doing now is he's calling the Daly Waters, and hopefully the cleaners have found it. But we still have no idea how we're going to get it from Daly Waters back to Darwin. Because we did have a few things planned on the weekend, but we need the ID. Like, 2 things in 2 days. Pull your head together, Bo.
Oh, it's so good. As soon as I called them, I said, hey, it's Bo, the videographer. They're like,
Oh.
you lose your wallet, did you?
Oh,
so they got it, which is good.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they left it in the office with a sticky note, and they said that they're going to get a couple girls because they're driving up to Darwin on Sunday to bring it up. And
How
we can
does
meet them.
Everything work out for
Everything works out. I can't. This has been the lowest week. I'm never drinking again, I swear to God.
you? Oh, well, I just finished saying that we wanted your ID because we had a function to go to where we need our ID.
Oh, well, yeah, that's why we're trying to call and get the ID back.
Yeah, but you just said you're never drinking.
Not until Friday. There are bees everywhere, man.
Oh, oh! Where's the kid? Dude, it's a bee attack. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. In between that scene, another bee attack. Look at them all. They're so thick. They're attacking our car. Bo's well and truly had enough. If you're at this point in the video and you have not hit the like button, guys, hit the like button, comment down below what you think of the video so far. Helps with the algorithm, and yeah, let's get out of this bee situation. They're literally swarming the whole car. Come on, mate. Go, 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 go!
No, we're everywhere.
Dude.
How's my luck? Like, how's our luck, man?
Dude, they just started coming into the car.
Oh, did you get hit?
Oh no, I think I just got out in time.
You didn't get a bung?
No, no bung.
No bungs?
No.
Yeah, I didn't get bunged.
Alright guys, so we've just rocked up to Adelaide River. We're going to stay here for one night. Same deal, we're getting the drone up. Here are some of the shots. Rightio guys, the Adelaide River Inn and Resort. So this is another property that Tim, the owner of Daly Waters, owns as well. Guys, this place is absolutely stunning. There's swimming pools, restaurants, pool tables. And one of the most interesting things I found out about this place, the ball that was used in the movie Crocodile Dundee is actually stuffed and put up on the bar. And guys, the cabins here are absolutely stunning. Guys, the thing I love about this place is a place you can sit back, relax. It's only 90 kilometers out of Darwin. And the good thing about wet season this time of year, no one is really around, so you pretty much get the whole resort to yourself. Alright guys, so we just got to Darwin. Bo's gone straight to the post office, so fingers crossed it's here. Looks like a guy that's just like...
Oh, I wanted to wait to open it. Oh, they charge 58 messages, texts.
That guy was looking at you like, it's just a phone, mate.
Yeah, everything works out. To be quite frank, I'm over it.
Rightio guys, so we've just rocked up to JB Hi-Fi, so we're using a bit of the money we earned from the 2 jobs to invest back into the channel. So come with me, I'm going to show you what we're going to buy. Alright guys, so we're going to buy this microphone to up the production. So all the voiceovers you've seen in this video are recorded on this. So we're going to grab this, and we need a USB-C to USB converter or dongle. So let's go grab one of those.
Yeah, real good, champ. Nah, actually good. I've stopped eating carbs.
You look sus as.
It's been good. I've stopped eating carbs altogether. Just had a steak and barra, but yeah, it's pretty good. I'm sticking around 1,300 calories, 1,300 to 1,500 calories per day.
I've got a little surprise for him that's going to make him lose a lot of weight quickly.
What is it? What is it?
Now, what about that one?
So the video.